There we go, baby. What we got? Is it a crappie? Looks like a crappie. Look at that slab. Here we go, baby. Not a bad one. He'll eat. Let's get us another one. And I forgot to bring my bucket. Dadgummit. That means my cooler's gonna be stinking like fish. Maybe bust out the smaller version of this lure. This 3-inch may be too big. Got us another one. Looks like a little bass. Nope, just a little crappie. A little bitty feller. I say a little bit, he's still pretty close to 10 inches. He swallowed that one. There ain't gonna be no saving him, so might as well fry him up. I was supposed to be taking all the crappie out of this pond anyways, so ain't gonna hurt nothing. They're just like biting it, but they're not just hammering it. So it's kind of hard to tell if you're hitting something in the water, because this water's way up high compared to where it normally is, or if you're got a fish on. It's hard to tell the difference. I think we're gonna go over to the next pond real quick. I'm gonna rig up another crappie jig on one of my other poles. See if we can't just catch a bunch of them. I want to get out here on the boat this weekend, 4th of July weekend. Happy birthday to me. And troll around and try to catch them. Make it a little bit easier with the aluminum boat. Be able to get out there and all this stuff instead of casting off the bank. So hopefully that'll be the next video. This is what I'm using right now, a 1/4 ounce 3-inch swim shad. Got a couple different colors of them. I love them. They do great in the lake and the ponds around here in central Oklahoma. But I had, unless they're in my son's tackle box, he may have stolen them from me. I had some 2-inch ones. There's some small ones there. I believe these are 1/8 ounce. Smaller crappie, just tear them up. And I've got another 3-inch here. It's just solid white, no red eye. So there's size comparison for you. Quite a bit smaller. But I think with the bites we've been getting tonight, we'll be better off this smaller one. If not, may throw this little Roadrunner on. Or I've got some more crappie jigs we might try. I was going to come out and try to catch a big bass, but I think I'm going to bring out my employee tomorrow after work and see if I can't get him on some good fish. See these right here, crappie thunders. These crappie around here love them. Wow, I didn't realize this thing is just absolutely an ultralight. But we got one on the first cast. Look at that. I love it when a good plan comes together. First cast, first fish. Look at that. Not a giant, but it's good enough for a frying pan. Let me get my stringer out. First cast, and I can't even cast very far. As soon as I casted, I turned the camera on, talking about how I can't cast. Oh, no way. Talking about how I can't cast very far, and I got a bite. I just missed one there. Oh, we got him though. We're 2 for 2. Oh, that was a little baby bass. Look at that. Just a little baby bass. Probably right there on the grass line. Quit it. Little baby bass. Gosh, dang it. I was going to release you. You're too small to even eat. Oh, boy. What we got? Another crappie. Look at that one. It's a good one there. A good one. It'll eat. All right, I'm gonna take a break and go get my. I heard Lake Fork guy say on a video the other day that if it has that line down the back, it's worth extra points. Exactly how many points do I get for that one? It's got the line down the back. The rest of them don't, but that one does. If anybody knows how to make the batteries last longer on a Hero 7, I'd love to know. Because this thing does not last long at all. It drives me nuts. I got like 7 batteries for this one camera. Oh, there we go. Hooked up again. That's what I'm talking about. It's almost every single cast. It's another good slab. Boy, my son's gonna be excited. Holy smokes. We're gonna be eating good. All right, let's see if we can get one on this one. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. It's like every cast, folks. Every cast. Don't hook me, quit. Every cast. Now I want to keep small crappie, but the landowner wants some of these crappie out of here because there's too many. The bass are getting stunted. There's not enough food. And all these are spring fed. And there's some big bass in these ponds, but no way. We got another one. Woohoo! I'm talking about. It's every cast. Every stinking cast. Well, I was barely hooked. But there's some big bass out here. But there's a lot of stunted bass and just way too many crappie. So I'm gonna take everything I could get a fillet out of, and for my birthday, 4th of July, Independence baby, we'll have us a fish fry. Oh, I missed it. Missed it. Dadgummit. If I wasn't just a horrible fisherman, I would have had that. Lost my eyeball somewhere. Got the old patch eye. We still got a couple more ponds I was planning on fishing tonight, but I may just wait till tomorrow night and hit those. I hate to leave a pond when we're doing good. Well, it's not a crappie, but it is another fish. Can't complain about catching some largies. Not very large largies, but still largemouth. And he destroyed my lure. Wasn't very nice of you. You're not even worth talking about. Absolutely wrecked my lure though, so I guess it's time to go retie on another one. I think I may just swap it up and do that chartreuse and white with a chartreuse jig head and see how that treats us. Just change it up a little bit. I might have to go to the store and buy me some more of these swim shad.